You can't sell food here.
What? Why not here?
This park has rules.
I just started today.
Food selling needs permission.
Even sandwiches and chicken?
Yes, all hot food.
Oh, I worked hard.
I understand that.
People already looked interested.
Your food smells good.
Thanks. That helps a little.
But rules still matter.
Can I stay longer?
Sorry, not today.
Oh, that feels bad.
Did you get permit?
No, I forgot that.
City office gives permits.
Is it expensive?
Maybe small payment.
Wow, more money?
Yes, city loves forms.
I can believe that.
What do you sell?
Chicken sandwiches, fresh bread,
And drinks too?
cold tea and juice.
Sounds perfect today.
But not in park.
Not without permission.
Okay, I will leave.
Come back legally.
Then you buy one?
Maybe 2 sandwiches.
Deal. Extra crispy.
I will wait.
Next time, better start.
Oh, thank God! Finally here!
Good evening. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. Checking in?
Yes, yes, please. It has been the worst travel day ever.
Oh no. What happened?
My flight was delayed 4 hours. My luggage almost got lost, and my phone died.
That sounds terrible. Let's get you checked in. Make your day better.
Thank you so much. The reservation is under Jordan Lee.
Jordan Lee. Let me see.
Is everything okay?
I am showing a reservation for yesterday.
What? No, it should be for today.
Let me double check. Could it be under a different name?
Wait, oh God, I just changed my name recently. Try Jordan Taylor.
Jordan Taylor. Ah, there it is. Found it.
Oh, thank God. I thought I was going to cry.
Crisis averted. See? Deep breaths.
Need help finding something?
Yes, maybe?
What do you need?
I need rice, maybe.
Small bag or large?
Large. I cook often.
Good choice then.
Also, eggs. Where are they?
Back near cold drinks.
Oh, I walked past.
Happens every day here.
Then not only me.
Anything else today?
Bread, but fresh one.
White or brown bread?
Brown. Softer, maybe.
Try this shelf.
That looks good.
Need fruit too?
Yes, just bananas.
Easy. Left corner.
This place feels huge.
Bigger than my apartment.
That is funny.
Shopping first time here?
Yes, I moved nearby.
Then welcome here.
Prices confuse me sometimes.
Check yellow sale tags.
Those mean cheaper?
Yes, lower price today.
That helps a lot.
Need milk, maybe?
Oh, yes, 1 bottle.
Full fat or low?
A low, I think.
Good, this aisle.
My basket feels heavy.
Then avoid more snacks.
Too late. Chips inside.
Best part of shopping.
Maybe true.
Ready for checkout?
Yes, if card works.
Then we both hope.
Let's find out.
Excuse me, what happened?
My order is wrong.
What did you order?
I asked for soup.
And what came instead?
A chicken sandwich, not soup.
Oh, that is wrong.
I waited long, too.
That sounds frustrating.
I was very hungry.
I understand that feeling.
Also, no water came.
Did you ask twice?
Yes, but very softly.
Then maybe too softly.
Maybe, yes, maybe.
Let's fix this now.
Do I keep this?
No, I'll take it.
Sorry, I feel bad.
It is okay.
Can I get soup?
Yes, hot tomato soup.
That sounds much better.
Bread with it?
Yes, if free.
Nice question. Yes, free.
Then perfect.
Any drink this time?
Just cold water.
Easy enough.
I hate mistakes.
Restaurants have busy days.
I know, still annoying.
I'll return quickly.
Please, not another sandwich.
I promise, no sandwich.
Good, I trust you.
Back soon.
I'll wait. Carefully.
Welcome to the London Hair Salon.
I feel a bit nervous today.
Let's start with your hair today.
I want new hairstyle today, please.
What style do you like today?
I am not sure really yet.
We can check hairstyle photos together.
Yes, I would like that, please.
Great, let's open the book now.
I like short hairstyles more.
Short hair can look really fresh.
I am a bit scared, actually.
That is totally normal feeling today.
My hair is very long, right?
We can trim it slightly today.
I want it stylish, really, please.
We will shape it nicely today.
How long will it take, actually?
About 30 minutes from start today.
That sounds okay for me, actually.
Let's wash your hair first now.
I hope water is warm, please.
It will be warm water, nice.
I relax when I wash hair.
Good, we start gently today now.
Rice scalp is very sensitive, actually.
I will be very careful today.
Thank you. I feel safe here.
Now let's check the ends carefully.
Please not too much cut, okay?
Only a small trim today, promise.
I trust you completely now, really.
Let's check the mirror later together.
I am excited, actually, now, today.
Good change can feel refreshing today.
I never tried short before, really.
It suits many people well, actually.
I feel happy about this now.
We are almost finished here now.
It looks better than expected, actually.
Final touch and styling spray now.
Wow, I really love it today.
Welcome to our cafe in London.
I want something to eat, please.
Of course, what would you like?
I am not sure yet, sorry.
Take your time. Look menu, please.
Okay, I am looking now, thanks.
Great. We have sandwiches and salads.
Sandwiches sound good for me, maybe.
Good choice. Do you want drink?
Yes, I want coffee, please, hot.
Perfect. We serve fresh, hot coffee.
That sounds really very nice today.
Would you like milk or sugar?
Milk, please, no sugar, thanks.
Okay, I will note that order.
Thank you, I am new here.
You are welcome. Enjoy your visit.
It is my first time here.
London cafes can feel busy sometimes.
Yes, everything feels very fast here.
Do you prefer indoor seating today?
I prefer seat near window, please.
Good. I will arrange that for you.
Thank you, that is helpful, really.
Your order will come soon now.
Okay, I will wait here quietly.
Feel free ask me anything else.
I might ask later, sure, thanks.
That is perfectly fine with me.
This place feels very nice indeed.
We try to stay welcoming always.
I like that a lot, really.
Your coffee will be ready soon.
Great, I'm excited now, really.
Food will follow after coffee shortly.
Okay, that sounds good for me now.
Enjoy your time in London here.
Thank you. I will enjoy it.
Here is your fresh coffee now.
Wow, it smells really good. Amazing.
Glad you like it here, then.
Yes, I really like it a lot.
Anything else you need today, ma'am?
Just relaxing here for now, thanks.
Excuse me, need something?
Yes, maybe.
How can I help?
I need Wi-Fi. Please?
For your phone?
Yes, and my laptop.
Are you staying here?
Just for coffee.
That is fine.
So, can I connect?
Yes, we have Wi-Fi.
Oh, great.
Do you see network?
Many names. Too many.
Modern life is confusing.
Very, very true.
Find Green Cafe Guest.
Wait, I found it.
Good. Click that one.
Now it asks password.
Yes, that part matters.
Can you tell me?
Sure, it is simple.
I forget fast.
Gentle. Write it maybe.
Smart, I should.
Password is coffee2026.
Small letters only?
Yes, all small.
Wait, not working.
Did space appear?
Oh, yes, space.
Phones do strange things.
Mine loves trouble.
Try again now.
Okay, connecting now.
Great, it works.
Finally, I need internet.
Work or videos?
Both, maybe mostly work.
Honest answer.
I try honesty.
Gentle. Need charger too?
Maybe after coffee.
Good plan then.
First Wi-Fi, then life.